In this video, I am going to show how to add a new user in Windows 11. Let's get started. Go to Control Panel, then click User Accounts. Again click on User Accounts. Now click on Manage another account. Okay. Now add a new user in this PC. Okay. And you will find here another users. Add another user. Okay. Click on Add Account. If you want to add a local user, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Okay, you can create an account with Microsoft account or without Microsoft account. Okay, add account without Microsoft account. Okay, now enter the name who is going to use this PC. Enter password. Okay, in case you forget your password, use security question and answer. I am giving demo answer. Okay, now click on next. Okay, now select and change account options. Click on the button change account type. You can set this user standard user or an administrator. Okay, administrator user will grant the all privileges. Okay, and standard user will grant less privileges. Okay, make administrator. Click on OK. Okay, now you can delete this account. Select this account and then click on delete account, or you can change the account type from here, or you can change the password and change the account name from here. Okay, account has been deleted. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.